Now that we've got our course details, our course outline created, now it's time to customize the look and feel. You can select the classic, the New York, or the new style. I'm going to go ahead and click the classic and we'll go in and customize it. Now each one of these is going to look the same way. You're going to see the theme layout. This is the primary color, the background color of your theme and your sections. This right here is going to be your sections. This is going to be the header. So right here you'll have a background. This is your hero. This is the cover right here. Then you'll see the title font, the description font, the button color, the lesson progress, background color, the course body right here. You can select text if you want black, blue. I keep it black for visibility. You can select the background and then your instructor. What do you want the background to look like? What do you want the heading, the name, the title, and the bio to look like? You have all these customizations in here, which are really fun. Since we already have our lessons and our instructor done and our models, what I like to do is come over here to the hero image. I go to Canva, create a 1600 by 350 image. For the background, you can choose a 1600 by 350 image, or when you click this, you can actually select a color. So if you want the color to be a specific background, you can select the color. I'll hit save changes so you can see that doesn't look very exciting. So I go to Canva to do 1600 by 350. I'm going to go ahead and load up the banner that I selected, which matches my course. And when you'll see right here, when I save changes, you can actually see what it looks like. So now I've got hair tips, my course, and my buttons. Up here to the top, you'll see this is the product layout. And when I click on the lesson, right here, notice the sections over here change. This is how we can change the layout of how our lesson looks. So we may not like that dark color. We may want to go with a lighter color. We may want to change the header background, the body lesson, and then the course navigation. If I want the category to be dark, that would be the background of the category, the backgrounds of the highlighted lesson. I'm going to go ahead and change this to white, and you can easily save right here to show you what it looks like. So if I'm on this current lesson, it's now going to look white. If I wanted that background to be pink, I could go back to my highlight, and what it would do is it would highlight this color right here on the current lesson I'm on. These are the ways to change the different colors and the different backgrounds. So you can do all kinds of fun things when it comes to modules. You can also see right here where I changed the text. So highlight background color, font color. You can change that right there. I'll go back to the black. And you'll see when I hit save, it'll bring it back to the black. So you can highlight text and colors all inside each lesson. If you want to change the entire background, you can come over here to the background of the course navigation. I'm going to go ahead and hit white, hit save, and now you'll see it's all white. Now, remember, I changed the background, so we definitely want to make sure that we change the font color, because you see the font color is white. So we want to go and change that so we can actually read the module and read the lesson. Now you can see the highlighted lesson is in my awesome pink cover and the other lessons are in white. Once you've set up your product with your product layout, with your product theme setting and your sections, and then you can set up your lessons with your product layout. Then you want to save the theme and you want to make sure to apply the theme. So we've saved it and now we've applied it. So let's go ahead and preview it. So now I'm inside of, guess where? My course. If I go hair tips, you'll see this is the course, this is the cover, this is the module, these are the lessons, and I think this looks pretty good. I still have a lot of work to do by wrapping up the lessons. I've given you enough tips to help you get your covers, your lessons, and your design layout set up. So once you're done, this is your theme. If you wanted to change, you could also go into these as well, and you can customize the look and feel of this. Want your module still look like this, where it's selected. You can change the different theme. I'll go back to the gallery and let's just say I wanted to customize this theme. This has a look and feel with modules on the left and then your lessons are on the right. And you can use this. Again, you would have to apply the theme to make sure that it applies to your specific course. So once you're done customizing the course and you have it all saved, go back to see what it looks like. And here you have your entire course ready to go. We talked about your outline, your details, and your customization. What I'd like to cover is just a few more quick things before we're ready to make an offer. So let's talk about adding an assessment and creating certificates.
Oh,